Hello! Today we're going to work with Microsoft Excel. To get started, download the template. Click on the picture below. Click Download. Click Open. Okay, you will notice third grade teacher survey as the title. The first question is, how many students are in your class? What we need to do is insert a column graph for this first question. To do that, highlight your data by holding on the mouse and dragging. Go to Insert, go to Column, select the type of column graph that you'd like to insert. I'm going to insert a pyramid. Now what I need to do is move this graph so it's in the green area. To do that, hover over the graph, the edge of the graph, until you see this symbol that looks like a cross. Drag it over the green area. So this graph shows the same information that the data shows. Now we're going to move on to the next graph. How many different states or countries have you lived in? We're going to highlight our data. For this one, we're going to make a bar graph. So go to Insert, Bar, and I'm going to select the 3D bar graph. To move the graph, you hover on the edge of the graph till you move it to the spot that you want it in. To resize the graph, I hold on to the corner of the graph and make it smaller or bigger. If I'd like to edit the graph, what I can do is I can select the graph. I can change the color of the graph after I've selected it. I can also change the format of the graph. There are 3 additional questions. For the data, for each question, make sure you add a graph. There is a scatter graph. There's a your choice graph, so you can choose any of the graphs. And there's a pie graph. Have fun completing this project.